Logging every request can leak your users' secrets instantly. This guide explains dangers of logging everything, focusing on security leaks, performance hits, and compliance risks in Node.js applications. Logging sensitive data like passwords leaks secrets. Always sanitize or omit such information before logging errors or requests. Excessive logging causes high disk use and slows apps. Efficient logging filters and limits output to critical info only. Use these rules. 1. Mask secrets before logging. 2. Set log levels error, warn. 3. Rotate logs regularly to prevent overload. Implement selective logging with log levels and masking to avoid flooding logs and accidental exposure. Compliance requires avoiding logging personal data. Use policies that check logs before release to ensure privacy is maintained. Follow these. 1. Review logs for PII. 2. Use automated scanning tools. 3. Limit log retention to compliance needs only. Use environment flags to toggle verbose logs only in development, reducing noise and exposure in live systems. Check configs, mask sensitive data, apply log levels, audit logs, and limit retention. Now, identify insecure logs in your code.